Has this ever happened to you? Well, in today's video, we're going to cover how to replace the battery in a key fob. This particular car is a 2002 Lexus LS430. A fun fact, if your battery dies in your key, you can actually put it into the door and hold it, and you can drop all the windows and the sunroof. Pretty cool feature. Now you want to make sure you have the right screwdriver. I went to O'Reilly's to get this. It's GM8764. What I'd recommend is that you take the key into the store and then try and see which screwdriver fits best. Once you buy the screwdriver, keep it in your glove box in case you have to do this again, which you will. So the first thing you're going to do is take it off the keychain and then unscrew the back of the key. Be careful not to lose this screw, because if you do, it's going to be hard to replace. Ask me how I know. So I like to put it someplace I'm not going to lose it. It can be a little tricky to get the back of the key off, so sometimes you have to wiggle it a little bit and try from a few different angles so that you don't break anything. You'll notice the whole thing comes out, the transmitter, and so it has two little small screws. What I like to do is just put it back into the key, and that holds it in place while I unscrew it. Once again, be very careful not to lose the screws. These are even smaller. If you drop these on the ground, you are never going to find them. So we'll just put that there. And now you just pull the back plate off, and you can pull the transmitter out of the key and then remove the battery. It's pretty easy to do, it just kind of slides out. So when you're getting your new battery, make sure you put it in with the writing facing up. Or just make sure to pay attention to how your old one came out. So that just slides back into place, and then you're going to put that cover back on top. I also like to check it, and as you can see, the red light came on, so that's a good sign. Now we're going to take those two small screws and just replace them where we took them off. So this one just goes in like that. And then put the other one on. It's worth it to take your time when doing this, because like I said, if you drop these screws, you will be sorry. Alright, so now we're going to place the transmitter back into the little plate there, and then put the backing plate back on. I like to kind of slide it on. Just notice how yours is put together. This one appears to be a replacement key, so your original Lexus key may be a little bit different from this one, but it's probably pretty close. So I like to tighten it up and then just kind of wiggle the key a little bit. You want to make sure it's nice and snug, so I'll give it one little... There you go. Now I can put the keychain back on. And I think we'll leave the valet key out. And let's see if this works. Well, that works perfectly well. As you can see, we can unlock the doors and drop all the windows just like we did at the beginning of the video by putting the key in the door. And so what I'll usually do is hold the unlock button and watch until the sunroof goes all the way back, and then it'll cool off the car for you. I hope this video was helpful. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.